Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with UNice Hair. UNice Hair sent me over this copper brown wig, and it's actually given copper brown. It's not reddish brown, it's copper. And I think you guys can tell it looks a bit different than my reddish brown wigs. They're a little bit more burgundy looking. But today I'm going to show you guys how I install this glueless. It's actually glueless. There's no glue. It feels really light on my hairline. Like, my edges is not going to come off. So if your edges is bald, I recommend that you watch this video and you moisturize your edges with some oil. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what came in the packaging. That's why I'm talking before the video actually starts. So when you get your hair, it's going to come in the bag like this. I actually showed you guys the hot comb and stuff in another video, but I am going to be using it today. I just forgot to put this safety guard on because I really be wanting to feel the heat on my scalp. So I know that my wig is getting flat, right? Their package came with a robe. This robe is super pretty. I wore the other robe for a different hair company, and I really should have worn this one because I love pink, but that's okay. So it came with this pink robe, and they gave me a pen. I love pens. I feel like, you know, you're adulting when you have a pen in your bag, because who randomly has pens in their bags? Me, always. Like, it doesn't matter where I'm going. And they gave me this bedazzled pen, and if I was a pen, this would be me. Absolutely in love. And it comes in a little case, and it says their name on it. Wait, like, why are they so cute? They're so cute and thoughtful. And then it comes with this clip. I'm not gonna clip it on my hair because I don't want to move my wig and it fall off my head. Like, when I tell you it's glueless, it's really glueless. Like, it's just sitting on my head. So it comes with a little clip that you could put if you want. Like, should I try? Okay. Ah, look. Comes with a little clip. I'm not gonna move that there. The regular infamous mesh bag. Your mesh bag has everything that you need. So it comes with two wig. Oh, ciao, the ghetto. It comes with two wig caps, two headbands, lashes, the brush that I use to put on the foundation on the lace, and it came with another clip. And that was pretty much everything that was in the packaging. I am going to show you guys how I installed this wig from start to finish. I did give it some flat iron curls, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I do flat iron curls, I recommend that you stay tuned to this video. And don't forget to check out the links in my description box. It's going to have all the specs to this wig and all the links to UNice Hair. Let's get right into it.
For me, I think I love him because he's bad for me. For me, I think I love him cause he's bad for me. I probably sick right with my tea, but that don't mean it's good for me. I drink it too sugar sweet. Picked up the habits, babe, but you're the ones I've had today. I feel like I can't cope without you, and that's the part I hate. He's bad for me, bad for me. I know I shouldn't have him cause he's bad for me. Bad to be. I shouldn't have him cause he's bad for me. Bad for me, bad for me. You like to think that you know better, better. I bet you like to think that you know better, better, better. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like to give me any attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like to give me any attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me like someone for your attention, cause it goes down. Oh, I should've loved me. how we good. Wanna tell you something that's so good. All my love was all you
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Absolutely in love. I'm really proud of myself for this install, and I'm proud of myself for learning how to put my wig on without actually gluing it down. So it's just gonna be a quick and easy way to just pull it off my head. I love that for me. So if you guys are gonna try out this method, make sure you give me a comment down below. Let me know if I actually saved your life and your edges. I hope I did. And don't forget to check out UNice hair. I will leave the links down below like I said below. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
for me. I think I love him 'cause he's bad for me. I know it's sick, but that don't mean it's good for me.